Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. This one is from Lovecasa, and it's a utensils crock. So let's check it out. They always package their products very well, so it gets from their place to your place with no breakage in transit. I'm sure this one will be the same. Inside, we have packing pillows and a box inside of a box. And you can tell it is from Lovecasa. Let's open this one. And it has styrofoam in it. Wow, that was tough. This is really pretty. I love the color red. It will go into most anybody's kitchen decor. And it says Premium Utensils Lovecasa embedded on the side there. It also has their official stamp Lovecasa on the bottom as all of their products, so you know it's the real deal. It's a nice big size. So let's measure. Going across, it's 6.5 inches. Height-wise, it's 7.5 inches. This will be big enough to hold 10 to 15 pieces of utensils, depending on what you have. So you can get a lot of them up out of the way of the counter so you have more counter space and less clutter. This piece is called the Farmer Vintage Utensils Holder. The design is inspired by the French countryside. The color and the embossed lettering will be a great vintage touch to your kitchen decor. This is made out of premium ceramic. It is more sturdy and heavier than the metal or the stainless steel utensil holders. It will not tip over. I have several of them that when I go to grab a piece out, they tip over and makes a mess all over my counter. This is made in such a way that you can grab a piece and it will stay put. It is dishwasher safe and heat proof, which means you can have it next to your stove so your utensils are within easy reach and it won't get too hot and break. And with it being ceramic, water won't bother it either. You can have it next to your stove with the water droplets or the steam from whatever dish you're making, and this will be fine. It will not rust, unlike some of those other metal ones. This would make a perfect gift. Christmas is coming up, and who wouldn't want a beautiful utensils holder like this? You could even give this to your favorite bachelor. I know, right? But bachelors do cook, and they need a place for their utensils as well. If your favorite guy is a hunter, the color kind of reminds me of a bullet casing. So therefore, he can be manly in his kitchen. This Lovecasa Utensils crock has many uses. It's so versatile. You don't have to use it for your utensils if you don't want to. You can use it for a planter. You can use it for an ice bucket. Or you can use it for a candy jar. I just love that. You can have it sitting in your counter and your grandkids or kids can come along and get a piece of candy. But I will be using this as a utensils holder. I have so many utensils and not enough space. This will be perfect. So let me go put this on my counter and then I will show you how beautiful it looks with the utensils in it. See you in a minute. So here it is on the counter, and as you can tell, I have a lot of utensils. I need a lot of utensils because I have a cooking show. But it looks great, even next to my gray. Gray and red go along really, really well. And it goes along well with my butter crock here. And with the stove. My stove top is black, matches here. It fits right in with most kitchen decors. And as you can see, these are all my wooden utensils and they hold them all. So I'll take you back to the table for my final thoughts. So what do I think about this farmhouse vintage utensils holder? I absolutely love it. It's big enough. I have all of my wooden utensils in one spot. I love that. And then I'm not going all over the kitchen trying to find the perfect wooden utensil. You can remove a utensil and it doesn't tip over. It's very sturdy. I'm very clumsy, so I love that feature. Again, I think this is very pretty and very functional. I hope you do go check it out. I'll leave the link down below. This is Sherry. Until next time.